As promised, today I want to go over a tool called ManyChat and how it can help your church engage with new visitors and members automatically. For example, a new visitor visits your page and instantly gets service times, location, and a welcome message. So I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to set up ManyChat for your church. So we are going to go over how to create an account and connect it to your Facebook page. Then I will show you how to create a basic greeting and welcome message, and how to enable quick replies, for example, plan your visit, service times, or prayer requests. If you are ready to dive into all of that, let's go to the computer. Okay, so here we are on the ManyChat website, manychat.com. So you're going to go on the upper right side and click on Get Started. And the first thing you need to do is to connect an account. So as you can see, it connects with all of these platforms. Today we are doing Facebook, so click on Facebook Messenger, and it wants you to log in with your Facebook account. So here I am logged into my account. When you sign up for yours, it might send you a verification code to your email. So go ahead and go through all the prompts that it gives you. And at the end, you will come out to this dashboard that will greet you with your name. And this is the main dashboard, the home page of ManyChat. It can do so many things, but we're going to get started today with, like I mentioned, some automations. But the first thing I want to show you is how to create a basic greeting and a welcome message. Okay, so we're going to go down here on the lower left side and click on Settings, and then we'll go to Messenger. And so up here you will see a box where you can put a greeting in, and this is what people will see before they even start talking to you. Okay, so when you save this, it'll give you a little preview of how it's going to look, for example, on their phone. Hey, we're so glad that you're here. We stand for family, faith, and community, and we love to connect to you. So this is something that will always be here in the Messenger before people even start talking to you. Make sure you hit save. Next, I want to show you how to set up some automations, some quick replies. Okay, so let's go over here to the left side, click on automation, and then on the upper right, click on new automation. And I'm sure you've seen posts on the internet that say in the captions, comment this particular word. For example, comment book and I will send you my free ebook, or comment course and I will send you the link to my new course. And this is the same thing. So these are triggers, and then you set up what is happening after the trigger. Okay, so let's set up the trigger first. And we're using Facebook today. These are some common ones. Today I want to show you user comments on your post. Okay, so let's assume we have an event coming up. We have a worship night. So up here you can actually name the automation to stay organized. Worship night, and we're going to choose a specific post that we've made in the past. Now with ManyChat, if you want to schedule a post or you want to promote a post in the future, you have to be on the paid plan, which is $15 a month. I'm on the free plan right now, and I definitely recommend starting out with that. You can only use posts that have already been posted though. So what I do is I just go ahead and post it, and then I go back into ManyChat and set up the automation, and it is completely free. Okay, all right, so we've chosen our post. Now we're going to choose what happens. Okay, so if when the person comments on this particular post, a specific word, okay, so here down here you choose comment contains specific word, and here's where you can put the words in. So let's say they say, you tell them to type worship night. Okay, now I like to do a couple of variations here. Some people might forget to type night, or they might forget to type worship, so I want to make sure they get it, and so you can do as many variations as you need here, and all of these will trigger the reply. All right, we're going to leave these untoggled and click save. All right, and then we'll go over to our next box here, and we're going to determine what happens when they comment. Okay, so we can say so glad you're coming. Am I typing this right? Yeah. Okay, you can add a button here, which is highly recommended. Let's say register here. If you have a registration link, you can connect a phone number or a website. Make sure you always type HTTPS. Okay, done. And this is the button that they will see. You can also add some more text, or you can even add an image down here. We already have one. I have this one sitting here in my downloads. For example, you can add another image and it'll actually show up here in the triggered message. Okay, for now I'm going to delete that. Choose next step. I think we are done. There's so many new steps you can make. As you can see, you can go on and on and on. You see this little snake here on the side? You can do another automation and another action and another action. So this is just a simple one, trigger and what happens after the trigger. Don't forget to click on Set Live once you're done. You will see all your automations here in the list, and you can conveniently toggle them on and off. So this is how automations work. A quick tip: you can send directions, you can send a Google Maps link, you can send an invite your friend copy and paste message that people can copy and paste and send to their friend. You can let them opt in for event reminders. There are so many endless things you can do with these automations. Today I just showed you the simple one just to get started with. Another good way is to use these for prayer requests. So you can have a post that says, comment, pray for me in the comments, and we will send you our contact form, a link to our contact form where you can actually type in your prayer or get connected. You can even send a video call link. There's so many, creative things you can do with this. If you have a sermon archive, you can also use it for that, to send people your archive of your sermons. There are so many possibilities with ManyChat. If you want to try out ManyChat for yourself and you want a free automation guide that you can use for your ministry, these are automations that usually work very well for churches. I have compiled them in one free document for you. If you're interested in that, the links for that are in the description below. I hope this was helpful. Now I have about 4 additional tips that I want to give you. And the first one is to keep your messages short and personal. Avoid sounding like a robot. So use words that you use in everyday life. Secondly, use buttons and quick replies for easy navigation. Don't make it too hard on the visitor. So make sure you have easy to see and straightforward buttons that everyone can see and they know what to do. Third is encourage engagement. So always use something like reply the word Sunday to let us know that you're coming this weekend, something like that, and always make it engaging. My fourth tip is that you can actually connect ManyChat to way more platforms. For example, your email list. So if you're using something already like MailChimp or ConvertKit, you can connect it to ManyChat. It has a lot of functionalities there. You can also connect to Google Sheets to track your visitor count. And you can use it with Facebook ads to capture new visitors. Let me know if you want a video of any of these tools in combination with ManyChat. There you have it. ManyChat definitely makes it easy to engage, invite, and follow up. If you like this tutorial, give this video a thumbs up. And as I said, if you have any other video requests, drop that in the comments. Consider subscribing to this channel if you want more on church marketing, and I will see you in my next one.